Hey guys, it's Mark from Mark and Michelle. Wanted to do a quick video on the Kalatu Blogging Platform that we've been telling everybody about, that I've been telling everybody about, that I've been using for a couple months now, since January, beginning of January. So rather than just talking about it, I want to show it to you a little bit. This is the Kalatu platform. It's all within Empower Network. This is my homepage of Empower Network. Here's Kalatu. Here's all the other products, awesome products that they have. But we're just going to talk about Kalatu for today. So here's the dashboard. Here's where you start out when you first sign up. Come here, there's a video. It goes through everything you need to know about Kalatu, how to get it set up and how it works. And it's about I'd say about a 15-minute video. It doesn't take you long. If you follow the steps as it goes along, you'll be up and running in no time. Here's your support ticket. If you have a question, comment, ideas, bugs, if there's a problem with it and you want it to get fixed or want to know when it's going to get fixed, you put your question in here, you submit it, and from my experience, I've seen, usually the turnaround on the replies is within 24 hours, no more than 24 hours, which is pretty cool. Just going down the list here, we're gonna, the social media card is where you want to connect to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, so you can share your blog on social media, get people to know about it, and get people to read it. That's what that's the idea, is to get people to read it, to see your stuff, see what you're doing, what you're up to, what you're thinking, what you're what you're blogging about. Let's get down here to global settings. This is just where you name your blog. See up here it says Internet Marketing for Newcomers. This is where you name it. If I change that, it would change that. Put a description, your email address, time zone. We're actually down in Mississippi, but it's the same time zone, and I'm from Chicago, and I like saying Chicago. All different comments. Front page settings, if you want your latest post to be on your front page, or if you want a static page, which means you create a page and that every time somebody comes to your blog, that page will show up, right? SEO settings, which is search engine optimization, is built in to Kalatu. You just put your title in there, you put a short description, and the settings pretty much take care of themselves for you. There's also training on how to do this within Empower Network. Theme settings. This allows you to change whatever you want to change. If you want to change the background where the post is to red, give it a second, it'll be red. If you want it to be blue, it'll be blue. There you go. Nothing changes actually until you click save and publish. So you can come in and play with it and see how you want things to look. Different color, the links, you want it blue. When you hover it over, you want it to be purple. You can change that too. Fonts, you can pick, you all know about fonts. Pick whatever font you want for the page front, title front, anyway. Your posts, how many posts to show. Over here on the right-hand side, it'll show the last 9 posts, or I'm sorry, in the middle. It's the last 9 posts. You can change that to 3, 6, 9, or all. Opt-in is simple. We'll come back to widgets in a minute. This is if you want to put an opt-in form, from GetResponse or Aweber, and if you want to build a list of people that want to, if you want a list of people subscribing to your blog, or whatever list you want to create, you can do that very simply here. There's step-by-step instructions within that video, and you can enable it or disable it, your choice. Social pop, this is just if readers, it'll allow them to share your posts on Facebook, Google, Pinterest, Twitter. You pick different kinds of the buttons to to share them on. So basically, after they read it and they really like it, they click on the little Twitter icon, and it will go right to their Twitter, and they'll share it, which will give you, more readers, which is what we want. Author box settings allows you to change who wrote the article. This is Mark and Michelle. That's us. So if Michelle writes a post, and she can change it to Michelle, so everybody knows that she wrote it, and she'll get the credit. Instead of, or if I wrote it and they all hate it, and they can blame me and not her. These are banner ad settings. If you look on there's the actual blog. This is a banner ad. For those of you who don't know, if you click on this, it'll go to a page of your choice, wherever you want it to go. If you're selling something, or if you want, share another blog and want them to go to another blog, you can do whatever you want. You create whatever picture you want. You put in the URL that you want it to go to when they click on that banner. That's it. Depending on the theme, it tells you how many banners you have. I think there's some have 3, some have 2. It's your choice. The social card settings, this is just if you want, like our Facebook page, our Twitter page, if they click on that underneath our pretty little picture there, it'll take them to our Facebook or our Twitter or our YouTube channel. You put in your own settings so you can get more people to your social media. Go back to widgets. Widgets are the cool little things on the side, like a YouTube channel. This is a widget. It shows different posts from the YouTube channel. Recent posts. This is a widget. It shows recent posts on it. Right. So YouTube channel, recent posts, recent comments, which are also in there. But if you want to change that or add to it, you get a whole list of different. You put a calendar on there. Different pages you have, an RSS feed, just arbitrary text or HTML. If you've got some HTML code you want to put a picture or a banner from another company, that's perfectly fine. You're not married to only supporting or promoting Empower Network. It's your blog. You can do whatever you want within reason. Nothing vulgar. You can probably do that too, but you'll eventually get. Well, I digress. But anyway, that was where you put your widgets. That was just in the theme settings. All right, we're going to go back. Themes. Like I say, right now, there's 5 themes available. This is the theme we're using. You can click and activate any of these you want. See how your blog would look with them in there. And each one of them is customizable. You come in and you play with whichever one you think looks best. Posts. This will give you a list of all your posts. Since I've been blogging with Empower Network, which was 3 months ago, there's been 120 items done. So we're adding to it every day. It's fun. I love blogging. I've written posts. I've written posts on my blog on why I love blogging. You have to go and check them out. But you can also change your language if you want to write your blog in any of these. I don't speak any of these except for that one, but those that do can change it. Pages, you can create custom pages. For example, we created this our journey. We created a video just telling our story, and we wrote a little piece on it. And if we want to send people to that to get to know us, to let everybody know that we are regular people, just like you, just getting through. You can do that as well. Comments. These are comments that people have left on our blogs. I'd say mostly are positive, and also my replies or Michelle's replies, because that's the right thing to do. Somebody comments, and you should thank them. That's I'm always said to be polite, right? Media. It's your pictures, your videos, your audio that you shared on your blog. Actually goes in here. into a library so you can share it again. Linkify, this is a cool little feature that you have those URLs that are like 57 characters long, and you want to put them on Facebook without it looking all weird and stuff. You can I'll show you. You can take this link here, put that in there, and you want to create a link. There it is, SA7W, it just shortens it. Anyway, it just helps to makes it easier to share menus. These are different menus that we create. We create articles under the Internet Marketing for Beginners. We also do personal development as as we're growing and learning and changing. We're sharing. And there's also a 21-day blogging challenge, which I will talk to you about in a minute. Tutorials, like I said, this comes with different tutorials on how to get it set up, how to create your domain, different features that they're adding or that they're working on. There's a 21-day plugin, which is I'll get to in a minute. So widgets, we went over those. Google Analytics. This allows you to track your web site, how many people are coming to actually see your blog. It walks you through it. You click here, it'll walk you through how to get this number. Once you have this number, you can track it on Google. They also have, this is new, where you can use other websites to track your popularity, I guess would be the right word, or the wrong word, I don't know. Domain mapping, this is if you want to create your own domain. You've seen the GoDaddy commercials where you buy a domain name. This is where you would come and you would map it. So when they type in like www.markandmichelle.com, it'll come to your Kalatu blog if that's what you want it to do. We like to use the buildingabrandonline.com/markandmichelle because the Building a Brand Online already has web authority. It's got 100,000 people blogging under it, and Google looks for the authority, and it makes it rank on Google much quicker than just having your own blog and having 120 posts. Because here you got thousands and thousands coming from this domain, and Google likes that. So let's go back to the 21-day blogging challenge. This is something that Empower Network does every month. At least they've done it since January. This is the third one. I've done all three. We're in the middle of the third one. We're on day 10. All you do is you come in here and you can start anytime you want. But I started on day 1, but you can start anytime you want. So if you join now, you can start. But anyway, it gives you templates every day and suggestions on what to write. Like today, it wants us to write about something that happened in our life, somebody that's impacted us or helped us, and what that is. If you don't want to write on that, if you really don't feel that that's a good blog for you, and you don't know what to write on, there's a couple buttons here, which I've never seen before Kalatu. This one says, "Give me a headline." So you would come to enter subject, and you type in blogging, and you click on that. It says, "Why not blog about what I learned from blogging?" If that's not good, a step-by-step guide to blogging. And it doesn't have to be blogging. It could be tropical fish, or baseball, whatever you want to blog, whatever your passion is, right? If the headline doesn't work and you're looking for an idea, they even got those. Gives you, I think there's hundreds. I know there's hundreds of different ideas. You just go through here, how to reinvent yourself. That doesn't work for you. The one thing I do every day. Just keep clicking on this if you want to, or it's completely up to you. Just something. If you don't have something to write about, but if you're writing about something you're passionate about, you will always have something to write about. Trust me. That's about it. This is a real quick walkthrough of the Kalatu thing platform. This is what our blog looks like. This is what we do every day. You know, our recent blog posts, and you know, it's what I do. I blog. Get people to come here. Get people to share. Get people to maybe click on my banners. Get people to sign up on my list. Get people to join Kalatu and get to enjoy it as much as I do. So just wanted to share that real quick. And that's it. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.